South Korea's top actor Jung has become a father. The mother is 16 years younger model Moon Ga-bi. However, what should have been celebratory news has erupted into a scandal shaking South Korea. Why? First, the child's father and mother have no plans to marry. Wow. Second, Moon Ga-bi's childbirth itself was a secret. Model Moon Ga-bi recently stopped all activities, then suddenly posted a picture of a baby on social media announcing her childbirth. Being unmarried and not disclosing the identity of the father sparked curiosity. However, on November 24, a media outlet revealed that the father of Moon Ga-bi's son was Jung and Jung immediately confirmed this. Hello, this is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. According to current media reports, Moon Ga-bi and Jung met first at a gathering in 2022 and grew close. By June 2023, Moon Ga-bi was reportedly pregnant with Jung child. While it was shocking enough that Jung a prominent actor representing South Korea, officially acknowledged the birth without any prior dating or marriage rumors, the most explosive reason for this scandal is Jung official statement: "I will take responsibility for raising the child. However, there will be no marriage." Meanwhile, Jung was also recently rumored to be dating actress Shin Hyun-bin. With this baby scandal, rumors including claims of a long-term relationship with a non-celebrity are pouring out. While marriage is a personal choice, having a child without marriage remains highly unusual in South Korea, where Confucian values still hold strong. The public's curiosity has shifted to why Jung is so adamant about not marrying. In my view, there are some legal reasons. Well, Jung has two choices: marry and co-parent the child, or avoid marriage and provide child support. Wait, why is not raising the child not an option? Under Korean law, no one can be forced to marry. However, providing child support is legally mandated for any child born. If the father denies the child, the mother can file a paternity lawsuit. The court will determine paternity based on evidence such as DNA tests, which could not lie. If confirmed, the father is obligated to either raise the child or provide child support until the child becomes an adult at age 19. Jung announcement to take responsibility for the child is simply an acknowledgement of a legal obligation. It is not an extraordinary decision. Even if Jung refuses to provide child support, Moon Ga-bi can sue for it, ensuring she receives it. The most obvious reason for not marrying, even with a child involved, is, of course, the absence of love. But in my opinion, from a legal perspective, the primary suspected reason is the risk of asset division in case of divorce. Jung is a top star earning over 700 million Korean won per commercial. Since debuting in 1994, he has been a prolific 30 years career. Recently, his drama appearances reportedly earned him 400 million Korean won per episode, generating around 6 billion Korean won per season. Unknown millionaire Jung co-purchased a 33 billion Korean won building in Cheongdam-dong in 2020 with his best friend Lee Jung-jae of Squid Game. He also invested in Wider Planet, an AI marketing platform, owning a 9% stake valued at approximately 18 billion Korean won at its peak. His total wealth is estimated at a minimum of 50 billion Korean won to 100 billion Korean won. If Jung and Moon Ga-bi were in love, marriage wouldn't be an issue. However, if marriage were solely due to the child, divorce would become a likely scenario. In South Korea, divorce cases often follow the 5 years for 25%, 10 years for 50%. Rule of thumb. After 5 years of marriage, asset division can reach 25%, and after 10 years, it can rise to a maximum of 50%. So, for example, if Jung assets are worth 100 billion Korean won, divorce after 5 years could lead to a 30 billion Korean won division, and after 10 years, 50 billion. Although assets acquired before marriage are often excluded from division in court, he would still lose tens of billions of Korean won. In contrast, how much does child support cost? Around 700 million Korean won in total. Korean courts calculate child support based on parental income, but even for high earners like Jung Woo-sung, the maximum is around 3 million Korean won per month for child support. Over 20 years, the total child support would amount to just 700 million Korean won, which is $500,000. In summary, marrying and divorcing after 5 years could cost $20 million versus $500,000 in child support. From a risk perspective, you can calculate which is effective. So, in my view, it's evident why Jung Woo-sung chose not to marry with a woman that he doesn't really love, even the cost of the public criticism. No, it is not possible. At birth, a child is legally recognized as the mother's child. For an unmarried man to be recognized as the father, he must either acknowledge paternity or obtain a court ruling. If both parents are recognized, they share parental rights, meaning neither can unilaterally decide custody. Custody may only be lost if a parent lacks financial means, is abusive, or is at fault in a divorce. Since Jung Woo-sung and Moon-gabi are unmarried, divorce issues do not apply. Although Moon-gabi's financial situation isn't fully disclosed, she is a well-known celebrity model in Korea, suggesting she can support the child. With no evidence of abuse, therefore Moon-gabi is unlikely to lose custody. The scandal surrounding Jung Woo-sung's child has shocked the public, further due to his past roles as a UN refugee ambassador and his leadership in NGOs advocating for single mothers. While marrying without love may not be ideal, in a society where single mothers and children born out of wedlock face severe stigma, it's understandable why Jung Woo-sung's decisions are drawing criticism for leaving Moon-gabi and child to bear this burden alone. This is your attorney, Jiwon Lee. Thanks for watching.